All right. So a few minutes ago, a certain atheist on that website insulted me and said that hydrogen had to come before water, and that if I wasn't able to understand that, I must be, stupid or whatever he said anyway. Uh, you're wrong, atheist. All right, and here's why. And I'll start with the proton and the quark model, which it's a model. Let me explain models to you atheists. All right, because you atheists don't know the difference between a model on the one hand and actual reality on the other hand. Physics is a model made up of other models, but it's all a model. All right, and you do not reinterpret reality through the model. Real science is you're supposed to reinterpret the model through your observation of reality, which atheists have asked backwards, pardon me, but atheists are asked backwards on that principle. You do not reinterpret reality through a model. That's a fallacy, which Stephen Hawking called model dependent reality. All right. Reality does not depend on your model. Your model is supposed to depend on reality. There's no such thing as model dependent reality. All right. So, just as an example, the quark model is a model, it is not reality. It is not entirely correct. For one thing, there are at least two things that the quark model predicts, which they have never found in science. The quark model predicts that there should be quark stars, and they've never found a quark star anywhere in the universe, not even with James Webb yet. And number two, the quark model predicts that there should be strangelets, which actually destroy entire sections of the universe. And they've never seen that either. All right. And they've definitely never seen that. But a strangelet is strange matter, which is composed only of strange quarks. And they've never found it. It's supposed to be there somewhere if the quark model was the truth, which it is not, but it is a model. And even Rene Descartes said that a model, so long as you're doing what you said you were going to do with it, a model doesn't have to be the philosopher's truth so long as it makes accurate predictions. The problem is the quark model does not make accurate predictions about quark stars and strangelets. Therefore, it has to be wrong on some basis. That's just the quark model. And then, can water predate free hydrogen? Yes, it could. It could have been created as bound hydrogen and oxygen as just water, like I said, and like the Bible said. It could actually have been created that way if perhaps the creator wanted it to be that way. The quarks do not exist as free particles, by the way. That when they look at quarks in particle accelerators, they always see derived particles that imply something unseen is there. But quarks are never actually directly seen in particle accelerators. Neither are muons, gluons, or pions. There's always derived particles and bubble trails and things like that in particle accelerators that imply that something was there, which they then infer the properties of. They've never directly detected a quark, nor has anyone ever claimed to have done it. They're so small that they're undetectable, supposedly, whatever they're really looking at. But again, the quark model predicts at least two things that are not in the real universe. Therefore, the model is actually wrong and needs to be corrected. Now, doesn't it? And if the quark model is wrong, everything based on the quark model is wrong.